you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe.
Just made my cold brew and we are ready to edit. I'm gonna get started on editing yesterday's vlog, my chicken chipotle. So I'm gonna download the footage and we are gonna get started on that. I love my cold brew and I just showed you guys exactly how I make it, and I make it overnight. But remember that oat creamer I was telling you guys about? This one here. I mean, it's good, but is it really worth the hype, the one I got at Trader Joe's? Not really, in my opinion. I mean, I don't necessarily need a non-dairy like type of creamer, because I use usually half and half for like heavy cream. And I know obviously there's like sugar in here a little bit. It's really not that sweet, and I usually don't like really sweet coffee, but I don't know, it wasn't what I expected, I guess. But it did kind of inspire me to make my own. I have my half and half from Trader Joe's that I got too, but I was thinking about using that. And then I have a few of these sugar replacements. I have the brown sugar, I think I have the confectioner, and let me actually show you guys these. I was using these when I was doing keto. If you bake, or you're trying to find better replacements, maybe you're diabetic or anything like that, trying to watch your sugar, these are the way to go. They don't have a weird aftertaste, in my opinion. Yeah, they have the confectioner, which is basically like powdered sugar, so anything that you're making with powdered sugar, you can use this one. They have the granular sugar, which is basically like regular sugar. Instead of like a regular white sugar, you can use this. And then I remember I had this brown sugar one. So I know people make like cinnamon rolls and stuff, but I was thinking I can mix with like my little hand mixer. I can mix some half and half with a little bit of this, or even heavy cream, and I don't know, maybe some vanilla extract or something. That we're onto something here. So I might just do that and make my own like sugar-free, low carb, low cal, and no crappy ingredients. So I don't know, I might just do that. Maybe I'll do that for next time I make a coffee, and we'll just do it together and see how it tastes. I just realized I didn't show you guys the back. This is why I was saying like 0 calories, 0 carbs. Like, it's amazing. It's diabetic friendly, gluten free, non-glycemic, tummy friendly, keto friendly. Yeah. I got my little helper gonna help me edit my video. I'm literally on the corner of the bed because she will not move. Woke her up early today. Right, Mama? We woke you up early. You gonna help me edit my video? You gonna help me? You got her to move, but she's still watching me. I am actually gonna go hang out with my mom today. I finished editing the video, so I have another video going up, which is awesome. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with my mom. I think we're gonna go to Ulta because My brother gave her a gift card. I think it was for Mother's Day or something. And she was looking to get like a new foundation. She ended up getting the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation only because she saw it was like full coverage and she wanted to try it. But I think she has like drier skin, like not super dry, but it's dry. And I figured it would probably be too drying for her, but she still wanted to try it anyways. And you know that foundation is not cheap. She tried it, I think 2 times, and she said it was just cracking on her skin. So we're probably just gonna return it and get something else. I don't know, but speaking of foundations, I have pretty dry skin myself. So I need to get a new foundation too. I want to get a new foundation for going out. The foundation that I wear every day, like what I'm wearing right now, and every time I wear this, everybody always compliments my skin, and it only costs like $8 to $10. And I know I've mentioned it before, but it's the Milani 3-in-1 like Conceal and Perfect. It is so good. It's really creamy and it's pretty full coverage too, but I like to use it with like a damp sponge, and I think it just blends your skin like flawlessly. It looks amazing. I love that foundation, and that's what I've been wearing for a long time. That's like my everyday foundation. I wear it to work. I wear it every single day. So I want to get something new. If you guys know of like a dewy, like medium coverage foundation, let me know, because I have a gift card too. Where is my gift card? I have a gift card for Ulta. Yeah, I still have it. I have a gift card for Ulta that I got for my birthday, and it's been forever and I still haven't used it. Hopefully we can find her something for like mature skin, you know, something with like SPF. And I mean, not that we don't need SPF, because we do need SPF. So I ended up waving my hair again. Like I said, this was gonna be the look for the summer. Her. Hi, mi amor. You wanna say hello? Hi, princess. I caught her sleeping, and then I turn on the camera and she's like scared. She's like, what the hell? My mom talks to herself. So weird. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. I am loving this lipstick lip gloss. It's a lip mousse, okay? Let me get it right. It's the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse. Jesus, it has like the longest name of all time. But this is what it looks like. The shade is just beautiful, and it smells like marshmallows. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with the marshmallow smell. Like, I love the sweetness of it. So when I put it on, all I can smell is marshmallows, and it smells so good. And you know what, wow, this was probably like $5, I can't remember, but there is multiple colors, and I just got one just because I wanted to see if I liked it. Your girl's gonna pick up a couple more because it was amazing. It dries kind of like a matte, but it still has like a gloss. Like, it's not like extremely dry where your lips are cracking. Like, it's not like that. So I really like it. So I'm probably gonna have to go and get more. Actually, I'm gonna check Ulta today, because where did I get this? I think I got this at Walgreens or CVS. I can't remember, but I would assume Ulta has them too. So I'm gonna check today. I ended up going to Ulta with my mom. Sorry if you can hear my window fan, but it is so freaking hot right now, and my neighbors have their AC on, so it's pretty loud. But I ended up going to Ulta with my mom. She had a gift card and I had a gift card, so thanks to my roommate who gave me a gift card for months now, and I hadn't used it. I might be late to this right now, but I really wanted a new foundation, and I ended up going with the Born This Way by Too Faced. And I know I'm probably late, okay? And if you've used it, let me know how you like it. But my skin is very dry, so I wanted something that was really dewy. And this one says it's undetectable medium to full coverage foundation, hydrant, which I wanted. It's supposed to be long wear, and what did it say? I think it said something about, oh, hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, which we'll see. Hopefully it is good. It has hyaluronic acid, coconut water. So all of it sounds good and dandy, right? So we'll see, but this is what it looks like. I'm sure we've seen it everywhere before. It has a little pump. And I ended up getting the color golden beige. In store it looked a little dark, but we tried it on my neck and it seemed fine. But if it doesn't work out, I can always exchange it. I'm trying to get a tan right now for the summer. I feel like my tan is like not even, like all this is usually like exposed, so it's a little bit like darker, and then up here I'm freaking white in my legs. So I'm trying to get tan this summer, girl, because I need to get my legs tan. Maybe I can finally wear some shorts. I needed to get a new sponge because my sponge is, it's time. It's been through some stuff and I really needed it, and I think the 2-pack's only like 10 or 11 bucks. Ever since I discovered the Real Technique sponges, I stopped spending all of my money on the like original beauty blenders, because I think those were like $20 before. I don't even know how much they are now these days. I tried the regular Shape Tape concealer, and that's the one I've used, and I've purchased it again and again. Although it's really pricey, I find that it really covers my dark circles. If I can pick one product to put on my face, it would be concealer, because my dark circles are so bad. I didn't know they came out with an ultra creamy one, which is nice because I did feel like the other one was a little bit drying. I think this was $12. I got it in the light medium sand color. So I'm gonna try the small one, and if I like the small one, then I will commit to the bigger size, because the bigger size is what, like 30 bucks? It's like the price of foundation these days. That's pretty much all I got. Like I said, if I could just pick one product, it would be foundation. I mean, I'm sorry, concealer. I would pick concealer. That's just my go-to. It's my dark circles. Maybe one day I will come on here and just have like no shame in my game about my dark circles. We'll see. Maybe that'll happen. We'll see. But that's it. That's all I got. So it is a totally different day. Actually, it's the very next day from the last clip. I had mentioned to you guys that I was working toward wearing a bathing suit and getting in the pool, and it's really huge for me because I know, like, working through your confidence, like, it's all about confidence, and you just want to be comfortable in your own skin. Needless to say, I haven't worn a bathing suit in years. Recently, I purchased more of like a romper bathing suit at Target, which was super, super cute. I was feeling myself with it. I was like, you know what? Like, I was just feeling good. It made me want to purchase another bathing suit. So I went to Walmart because I wanted to see what they have. Typically around this time, like summertime, they have a ton of bathing suits, and I've never took the time to look through. But today, I went in there, I even tried on like 10 bathing suits, and I ended up with one. But let me show you guys what I got, because it is so cute. I freaking love it. I just love it. Let me show you guys. Okay, so you cannot tell me this is not cute. Like, how freaking adorable is this? It is so cute. It's from the Time and True brand. And I love the front. It has like a low V, but it has, you know, these little things here. It's gonna look cute. I like the fact that it has like thinner straps, and it's cute. It's a one piece, so we're working towards, you know, our confidence, and we are trying to look good, trying to feel good. I got some like purple lilac shorts. I thought I could wear it as bottoms, and then I also got some black ones, and these were super cheap. Target had them for way more expensive, and I don't think they had anything like this, but yeah, I'm obsessed with this. And on the back, it has a more of like a V like low cut in the back, but it's so cute. It was $24.98, and honestly, I didn't think it was bad. They did have some cheaper ones, but the materials seemed a lot thinner, and I don't know, it didn't feel as comfortable when I tried it on. And this, when I tried it on, I was like, yes. With my tan skin, I was like, this is it. I'm getting it. So I'm actually excited for a pool day. So check out Walmart if you are looking into getting a new bathing suit for the summer.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away.